This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming numbers, test pH and total alkalinity, and note your pool volume. Once done, put on gloves and goggles, safety first. Measure the recommended dose from the product label for your pool size, do not guess. Pour the measured pH down into a clean bucket and dissolve if required by instructions. Stirring helps. Make sure circulation is running so the chemical will disperse evenly. You're ready to add the solution to the pool at the first actionable step. You add the product slowly, walk the perimeter and pour the solution evenly, or feed it into return jets for faster mixing. Once added, run the pump continuously so movement prevents concentrated spots and speeds reaction. After 2 hours, test pH again and compare to your target. If still high, repeat with a reduced dose. Make adjustments in increments. It's better to undertreat and retest than to overshoot. This method ensures even distribution and predictable changes in pH. You finish by confirming results. Test pH and alkalinity after a full circulation cycle. Aim for pH 7, 2 to 7. 6. If alkalinity is off, correct alkalinity first because it buffers pH. If pH rebounds upward, that indicates high alkalinity or source water influence. Treat alkalinity with a decreaser or use smaller, more frequent pH additions. If water becomes cloudy or swimmers report irritation, stop treatment, run filtration longer, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.